Hi guys, how's it going? As you may have seen on our calendar, we have for today and for next Thursday this Payday Playaway kit available, and you're probably wondering what the heck is that? So I thought I would show you what comes in the kit. So Read Saskatoon sent out these kits to different libraries, and we were fortunate enough to get one, so I'll show you what it is. These kits are all designed to talk to your kids about money, currency, budgeting, all that kind of stuff. So in each kit, you'll get a roll of duct tape. You will get a template to make a duct tape wallet with your kid and a duct tape coin purse. Also, we have a shopping budget list. It kind of teaches your kids, what your budget is, how to fit everything in, the prices of things, which is always handy because I don't think a lot of kids realize what everything costs. We have a coin count kit with a bunch of different Canadian coins, and you've got to match up the amount with all of the coins. We also have a currency locator one where it has different currencies from around the world and shows them what country they come from, gives them a little bit of an idea where everything's located. And then we have, what do you want to be? A big part about making money as an adult is you got to figure out what you want to be and what job you want to do when you get older. So this is a fun little brainstorming activity where, you can sit down with the kids and say, what things do you like? What do you think you'd like to do for a job? Let's see how much money that makes. Is that enough to pay your bills and stuff like that? So it's a really fun family-based activity kit that you can come pick up because there's never a bad time to teach your kids about money and teach them early about budgeting, saving, and just the value of what their dollar is. So if you want one of these, pop by the library today or next Thursday to come get yours. There's only 10 kits available, so if you think you want one, you better pop in and get one quick because I have a feeling these will go fast. Plus, you get a free roll of duct tape. Like, who can't use that?